Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely gorgeous 2018 Mercedes-Benz C43. Now this is an absolute gorgeous looking car. It's the premium model, so it's got electric front seats, both passenger and driver, and it's got the panoramic glass roof. But I'm going to show you around the car, show you the features, show you as much as I possibly can about the car. So as I said, the paintwork is in the silver metallic, and it's sat on the 19-inch later style AMG wheels, which are all in absolutely superb condition, and they're shod in fantastic Continental tyres. Now the silver paintwork, this car has done very low miles. It's only done 28 now, and it is all in gorgeous order. We've got the LED high performance headlamps with signature. We've got the diamond encrusted style grille on the AMG. Absolutely gorgeous. Parking sensors on the front and the rear, as well as the reversing camera. But the whole of the vehicle is in just wonderful condition. Each wheel is, you can tell the person who has owned it has not really been anywhere near any curbs. They're all in superb order. Looking down the both sides of the vehicle, it's free from trolley dent or mark. Now the premium model gets the black surrounds on the windows. We get the black mirror caps. The glass roof opens, has a blind in as well, but it is lovely. I've drove the car. That silky smooth V6 turbo engine is just absolutely gorgeous. Now this car's got the sports exhaust system and also the AMG ride control suspension, and which I'll show you in the side. We get the tailgate and boot spoiler arm, and then obviously the AMG badges on the rear and the C43 badge on the rear also. But the car just looks superb from every angle. I'm sure you agree. Again, looking down the driver's side of the car, there is no dent man trolley dent that needs removing, but it is just a wonderful example, and a lovely cared for example. 3 services, I've all detailed, I've pictured them on the website also, so it's been maintained as well. We've got the keyless entry, keyless start. As we open the door, the AMG interior is in gorgeous order. We've got the contrast red stitch on this particular model. Electric heated memory seats, both passenger and driver, and then the stitching runs down the armrest. AMG illuminated treads as well. Aluminium pedal set, auto headlamps. But that interior is in wonderful condition. The seats, the bolsters and the bases are all in as good as new order. Jumping into the car, I'll fire her up. You'll see it alight. Just turn that music down, and then I'll close the door. No warning lights or anything on the dashboard whatsoever. Tyre pressure, we can sort that out. But as you can see there, 27,928 miles, so just nearly 28,000 miles. Fantastic indeed. Open that panoramic roof, just give us a little bit of nice, as you can see there, the sunshine, as good as a convertible having a pan-out roof with one of these. Now down the centre we've got the gloss black detailing, but we need to look at the buttons here because this is where this car stands out from the rest. We have the sports exhaust system, as you can see there, so that changes the note, gives it a more raspy sound. We then have the AMG ride control, so as I press that on the dashboard, as you can see, AMG ride control Sport Plus, Comfort, and then Sport. We can then, in the left hand, you'll see it going from manual, so that's the gears there, so we can press that one there to manual shift, where we're driving it constantly, and then we've got the dynamic drive there, and then I'll adjust that, and you'll see that then we're adjusting. But we can adjust everything on this car: the suspension, steering, dynamic drive, sports exhaust. You can do everything so it individually set to your personal requirements. So DAB radio, satellite navigation, just scroll the wheel. We've got the media player, so that's Bluetooth auxiliary, USB. and you got your Bluetooth phone also. Now you get a nice reverse camera as well. As soon as select reverse, you've got the lines there that appear on there for parking in your spot. But a fantastic, genuine, honestly cared for car. Contrast stitches all around the steering wheel as well. This one, Premium, you get the electric steering column, speed limiter and cruise control. Get everything. In the centre armrest, we've got USBs and also a SD card reader. I don't smoke, and I can tell that the last keeper wasn't a smoker either, because in this car it smells still fresh and new. So as we jump out the car, the sports exhaust is there, so I'll just give you a quick blip on that. So that has a really nice note to it, I'm sure. And then in the rear, I don't think many people have sat in their rear either, because it's got those lovely red seat belts. The carpets are all in exceptional order. The whole vehicle is in lovely, lovely condition. So, if you'd like any more information on it, give us a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, there's Lee and Dominic who will help you in any way we can. Lovely example. All the book packs there to recap. The keys are there. We've got AMG mats, 2 keys, HPI clear, premium specification, riding on Continental tyres. Absolutely gorgeous. I must admit, I would be quite happy with that car on my drive. From every angle, very, very nice indeed. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call here in Wigan. We will give you a price over the phone, and to which then the car will be ready for you. If you've got a finance you require, our finance calculators under the advert. All the pictures are on there of the service history, all the details there of the vehicle. So as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.